Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create recurring tasks on monday.com. So for that you need to open up your workspace, and after that click on automate on the right hand side on top. Then click on create custom automation. After that, in this section of when this happens, just click on it and select every time period over here. And also you can click on it again and select when do you actually want it to happen again and again. You can select it on monthly basis, like if you want it to occur on 5th of every month, then you can select it monthly basis on 5th. You can also select the time over here. Just select it as per your requirements, and this option of then do this, you can select any of it, like you can create a new group, you can create an item, you can create a duplicate group, or you can just simply click on notify. And after that you can click on these two words, notify or someone, to choose further. And suppose you want to notify some message, you can just type that message over here. And if you want to tag someone and notify someone, you can just simply tag that person or team member over here, and then simply click on create automation. And this is how you create recurring tasks on monday.com. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.